Hey everybody, this is Ryan. I'm going to give you an overview of this portable fan and why it's a little bit different with the removable battery pack, a built-in timer, and this battery pack can actually be used as a backup power bank for, let's just say, charging a cell phone. This company reached out to me by the name of Hand Fan. Said, Ryan, could you give you a little tutorial about what all our fan does? Of course, I said yes, but no way whatsoever will this be provided to me. Affect this review. So I'm just here to keep it real. So let me share with you what all you get. So the first thing you get is the fan. And then you get a USB to USB-C charge. You don't get the little power brick thing, but you get this. And then a part of this has on the bottom there's a hook. So if you need to hang the fan, a built-in hook that hangs at 90 degrees, and it clips in there and snaps in nice and neat, so it's out of the way. It also comes with a tool like this built in to make it easy to pop off the rear battery pack. As you can see right here, it just pops out like this, and then very easily it comes out like this. And so you can see here on the back side, you have a regular USB here, and then you also have a, even if you don't take it out, you have a USB-C right here. So from a charging standpoint or backup battery, you have this at your disposal. Very, very convenient, I must say. If the battery is not working, or if you wanted to use the battery pack to charge something, but you also wanted to just run this straight off power, there is a USB-C connection right there. So if you just want to run this as a wired device, you definitely could do that as well. What also it does is it has a very, I'd say, pretty aggressive clamp, as you can see there. And if I'm to open this up as wide as it goes, to kind of give you an idea how much space you're gonna get, I'd say maximum grip is gonna be, I'd say, maybe an inch and a half, inch and a half or so to get kind of right here. And it does have a rubber type soft inner layer right there. So if you're trying to clamp onto something, it's gonna give a good grip and it's not gonna scratch. Also, this rotates 360 degrees. This is also flat, so if you need to have it sit there and standing, you have that option as well. This also is going to pretty much spin in any direction you need. So really you can aim this in any direction, which is a nice convenience. From a cleaning standpoint, that was huge when I noticed this, because I'm sure if you've owned fans before, you can't get the fingers of the fans and they're dirty. With literally a very light spin of this, the whole face comes off and you can get in there and you can clean the fan and keep it looking nice and neat. That is huge, especially when you don't like to have a whole bunch of dust blowing in your face from a dirty fan blade. And then you just put it back in, give it a little quick turn, it snaps into place, and you are good to go. What else it does is on the back here, very easy instructions on how to use. So with the press of a button, the fan's gonna start spinning, and there's four different settings. Just click it 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it's going to be going from low to medium to high to its highest. There's also a timer option that's on here. The timer settings are 3. You have 1 hour, 2 hours, and 5 hours. And if you're curious how long this fan can run, depending on the speed, it can run for a solid on a full charge 6 hours, and on the low speed up to 48 hours. That's a good bit of fan use. So if you're looking for a fan that does all this, clips on nice and neat, as you can see, then really gives you a full range of motion to do what you need. Hopefully this answers any questions that you have, and we'll talk to you soon.